So today I promised my little one a girl's day, and she's made a list of things that she wants to do on this day, and we're gonna go do them. And the first stop is at Toys R Us. So we're here, and let the day begin. Okay. Yeah, I think maybe that's the baby side. Okay, you said you want to look first, right? You can look at all the toys you want. You can't get all the toys you want, but you can look at all the toys you want. Go, go, go. Here. Why are the cards so fat? There's Barbie things under there. Barbie things under there. Clothes and stuff. You said your Barbies were naked. Has it in her hand. You like fur blitz? You dropped your pencil. Okay, but to work. That one's a babysitter too. What else is on your list? Where else now? What does the list say?
This is pool, but I crossed it out.
Okay, and then what else? You want a scrapbook? Okay, I'm gonna go to Sally's. And we need to get something to eat. And then, so the rest of the things are at-home things on your list? Okay. Alright. That's what we're gonna do, guys.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hey guys, so in continuation of the I'm letting the little kid experience everything I can this summer, we're at I Love Regina Day. We came last year, but we were a little late, and today we're just hanging out. Lots of families, as you can tell. Like I've said like multiple times. Do I still have? I was eating a burger, sorry. Regina is a family place, and all the families are out. We're at Confederation Park, which is like a park in the middle of the city, so you're surrounded by some taller buildings, and it's a pretty big park, and it's full. So from over there to all the way over there is really far, over there, over there, and I'm closer to the edge because I'm trying to avoid the music. But yeah, little kiddo is just going on all the rides, all the bouncy houses she can. We had some of the free barbecue. Yeah, the free barbecue. So we partook. It was good. It was good. Anyway, little kiddo has run off. I assume only to go on more rides. So that is our Saturday.